Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we are diving into Pionex, the crypto exchange that's changing the game with 16 free trading bots. Let's break down how it works. Key features: grid trading bot. It automatically buys lows and sells highs for steady profits. Spot Futures Arbitrage Bot aims for 15 to 50% APR with low risk. DCA bot automates regular crypto purchases for long-term gains. Smart trade bots use market trends for strategic trading. Low of 0.05 trading percent trading fees, cloud-based automation, and Binance integration for deep liquidity. So, how it works? First of all, you have to choose a bot. You can pick from 16 different strategies. Then you have to set parameters. Use AI settings to customize your own. Then you have to fund your account, deposit crypto, or buy with a card. And last but not least, you have to activate and monitor. Your bot trades 24/7 while you track performance. So, is Pionex safe? Pionex is a legit platform handling $30 million in daily volume with built-in risk management tools. Can you make money? Success depends on strategy, but traders report solid results using grid trading, ideal for sideways markets, leverage bots, higher risk but potential for bigger returns. Long-term bots, great for Bitcoin and Ethereum accumulation. So the final verdict is Pionex makes automated crypto trading easy, whether you're a beginner or a pro. So if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more crypto insights.